Want to build a sales dashboard from your Google form, without using any pivot tables? This clean, interactive dashboard was made using just simple formulas in Google Sheets. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to build it. Plus, stay till the end, because next week, we'll turn this into a full mobile app using Google AppSheet. Let's start by checking the raw data. This Google form records sales entries with the salesperson, the product they sold, and the quantity. All responses are fed into this tab, which I've named Sales Record. Now let's go to our dashboard sheet. At the top, we calculate the total number of entries using the COUNTA formula. We select the column with customer's name from the sales record sheet as the range and we are done. This counts how many sales have been recorded in total. Below that, we have two main sections, product type-wise breakdown and salesperson performance. And I've added a separate formula column so you can see exactly how each part is calculated in real time. The formula we use is called COUNTIF. We select the product column from sales record as the range, and the product as the criteria. Do not forget to use the F4 function to lock in the product column range so that we can easily drag this formula to other product types. This checks how many times the value in A6 laptop appears in the product column of the sales record sheet. Now moving to the salesperson section. We list the names, Priya, Rahul, Neha, and Vikram, and use the COUNTIF formula to check how many entries each person submitted. We select the salesperson name column as the range and the salesperson as the criteria. This tells us how many sales each team member recorded. Next to that, we calculate the sum of quantities sold for each product using the SUMIF formula. We select the product column once again as the range, the product as the criteria and the total sales column as the sum range. This adds up the total quantity sold for each product name. It's a great way to track top-selling products. And for the quantity sold by each person, we use the SUMIF formula. We select the salesperson name column once again as the range, the salesperson as the criteria and the total sales column as the sum range. This adds up how many units each person has sold in total. Finally, here's something really special. A dynamic dropdown that lets you select both a salesperson and a product, and see how much that specific salesperson has sold of that specific product. We do this using the SUMIFS formula, which works with multiple criteria. First we select the sum range, which is the total sales column. Then range 1 is the salesperson column, the criteria 1 is salesperson. Then the second range is the product type column and lastly the second criteria is the product type. Do not forget to add the F4 function to ranges as it locks the range. This formula means, sum the quantity sold only if the salesperson matches cell A21 and the product matches cell B21. It's super useful for drilling into team level or product level performance. I've cleaned up the design, added some headers, froze the top rows, so that it feels like a real business dashboard. Here is a bonus tip for you. Just select the data and use the charts option in the insert dropdown to insert bar graphs and pie charts to make your data more visualized. And now that we've built this from scratch, next week we're going to take it even further. In video 3, I'll show you how to turn this spreadsheet into a full mobile app using AppSheet, so your team can track and submit sales on the go. Subscribe to NoCodeCraft, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.